takers, this is Sachika. So today, we have a trig problem. Before we start, we have to be familiar with the different Pythagorean identities. So the most common one is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Now, this is just the first one. Di ba marami tayong identities? Kung hindi nyo yun memorize, no need to worry. We can just manipulate the first one to get the others. So for example, if I divide everything by sine squared theta, so let's simplify everything. Sine squared theta over sine squared theta is 1. Plus cosine squared theta over sine squared theta is cotangent squared theta. And 1 over sine squared theta is cosecant squared theta. So this is another identity. Now what if we divide everything by cosine squared theta? So now let's simplify again our expression. Sine squared theta over cosine squared theta is tangent squared theta. Plus cosine over cosine is 1. And 1 over cosine squared theta is secant squared theta. So this is another identity. So ayun, di nila kailangan mag-memorize ng Pythagorean identities. So going back to our problem, if sine theta plus cosine theta is equal to 1, what is sine theta times cosine theta? Okay, so sa ganitong mga problem, the more we solve, the more we can identify kung ano yung gagawin natin una. So from here, let's try to square both sides of our equation. So we have sine theta plus cosine theta squared is equal to 1 squared. So from here, you can expand this in however way you want. So pwede kayong gumamit ng FOIL. But this is just a binomial. So di ba may shortcut tayo for binomials? So di ba for binomials, if we have a plus b squared, that's just a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's apply this to our expression. So sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta. 2ab is just 2. Our a is sine theta. And our b is cosine theta. Plus b squared, b is cosine. So that's cosine squared theta is equal to 1 squared is just 1. So from here, makikita nyo, ito yung hinahanap sa atin, di ba? Sine theta and cosine theta. And also, from our Pythagorean identities, we know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1. So we can simplify this expression as, di ba, this is 1 plus this whole thing is 2 sine theta cosine theta is equal to 1. So from here, let's transpose 1 to the other side. So that's 2 sine theta cosine theta is equal to 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is just equal to 0. Now if we divide both sides by 2, same lang yan, that's still 0. And on this side, we just have sine theta cosine theta. Therefore, sine theta cosine theta is equal to 0. Okay, so I hope that helped you in studying for the UPCAT.